Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos, and today we're going to do a super cute project I saw on Rooster Restore that Casey did, so I wanted to make my own. So I grabbed this frame from Goodwill for 99 cents. This little watering can from Hobby Lobby, it was $2.49. Some chicken wire, piece of scrapbook paper I got at Hobby Lobby also. Some florals that I had from Joann's. Some Spanish moss. I made a little bow out of a piece of fabric and some ribbon from Dollar Tree. Some floral foam, white chalk paint, and a button. So the first thing I'm going to do is dismantle the frame. I'm going to paint the frame with white chalk paint. Now it's all finished and all dry. I'm going to take a sanding sponge and I'm going to sand off all of the edges to give it a rustic look. And then I'm going to take a baby wipe to wipe off all of the sanding debris. Next, I'm going to take the backing of the frame. I'm going to trace that out on to my scrapbook paper. Then I'm going to cut the scrapbook paper out and Mod Podge it onto the backing of the frame. Now that that's all Mod Podged on, I'm going to take the chicken wire that I had, which came from a roll, and I attached two pieces together. And don't mind my extra set of hands. It's just my grandson helping me out. He's a great helper. And I slid that into the frame. Then I'm going to slide my backing back on. And look how cute that looks. Next, I'm going to take the watering can. And I'm going to put a couple of pieces of floral foam in there. And I made them so they were a little bit bigger so they fit snugly and I did not need to glue them in. Next, I'm going to glue the watering can right onto the chicken wire and the backing of the frame. Once that was dry and secure, I just took my floral pick and started cutting off pieces to fill inside of the watering can. Once I had all the florals in, I just kind of arranged them how I wanted. I took my little bow and trimmed it up, and I hot glued that right to the top of the handle and sort of on the front of the watering can. Then I hot glued the button right to the center of that. And I think this just turned out so cute. Then after I got done with that, I added a little bit of Spanish moss inside of the watering can to kind of take up some of the extra space and give it a little bit of an extra rustic look. I love the way this turned out. It's super cute. It is kind of springy, but you could definitely leave it out year round. You could even change out the florals in it if you wanted for fall or for Christmas. I just think it's super cute. Thank you so much, Casey at Roost and Restore, for the idea. I think it is absolutely adorable. I hope you enjoyed this project as much as I enjoyed making it. I hope it inspires you to make one. Please don't forget to spread the chaos. And don't forget to sign up for our texting community so you never miss another DIY. The number is at the end of the video.